the silent. What happened?
I will give next week, Chanu.
Okay.
So I will give tomorrow, sir.
Sharath, okay, tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
See, Asin, is it interview is tough or easy?
Interview stuff, Chanu.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Please come again.
Yeah, interview tough or easy?
Today one or normally you are asking?
Yeah, today one.
It is fine, Chanu.
Okay. Sharath, మీరు చెప్పింది ఇప్పుడు?
రేపే సార్.
Yeah, Sharath interview ఎలా ఉంది ఈరోజు? How is this interview today?
Actually, it's a good one. I never faced this type of interviews in previous my experience also. The questions whatever you asked is really very helpful. But the only one thing means whatever he is telling is the final answer, or wherever he has to how to give the explanations in the interview. Also, if you tell me after this conversation, if you giving that one, it would be one more additional point.
See, regarding the interview process, I told you, first you need to explain everything in realistic, right? So at the time of preparation of any configuration document, you can say I was participated with different teams but doing this configuration at the initial stage. So I need to prepare the scope document first. For this scope document preparation, so I wrote an email to all of the team members for setup meeting. So like that, start one script. Okay, then I gathered all the people. Then I discussed about the payment method and bank determination, house banks and DME format. And also I was connected with bank team. So bank team, so these are the information I collected from the bank team. And these are the information I collected from the AP team. And these are the details I got from the treasury team. Like that, this way you can start.
Sir, is this mandatory requirement to connect with the bank team by the FA consultant?
100% mandatory. Without
or directly connecting with the banking team or through the treasury team?
See, treasury is only they will create an account. Okay, so any cash related stuff, any treasury related stuff, we can maintain with the house banks creation. Those things will be done by treasury team, maybe. Okay.
So one more doubt I have in IDAC and DME, that DME, whatever it is completed, it's electronic message will goes to that receiver. Okay. If it is banker receiver, means it goes to his email ID or any system?
See, generally once IDOC has been created, then IDOC file should be generated, right? Those details we can see in W03, and that IDOC should be pushed to the interface. Okay, there is one T code will be there, that is customized T codes. Generally companies will use. Okay. That customized T codes will be for just executing that customized T code, then it will move to that next one interface. Interface team will check all the payment methods correctly mentioned or any disorders or anything. They will check it out first. Okay, then they will send this file format to bank. So bank will pay the invoices. So then bank will give the EBS. Okay, so that EBS reconciliation things will be happened, automatic reconciliation.
Yes, sir. So that means in our company, that client company interface team will only send that email to bank team.
Not email. Okay, it's
that
file
communication.
Format.
Yeah, file format. Yeah, that file format will shared by the interface.
But in case of DME, file format should be submitted in the bank servers.
Directly to the bank server.
Bank servers. Okay. There is separate team will be there, interface team PI. They will take care of all this stuff. Your duty is you need to create a IDOC and a DME file format, and then it should be check. You can check it out whether it is stored in the EL11 path or not. That's enough. It's okay. Then other people will take care of this.
So if it is in the IDOC, while it is shared by the interface team, the file format, then why that ALE and EDI should be required by the receiver also?
See, this is all the in daily life we will run so many transactions.
Yeah.
Related to payments. All those files should be stored in the path.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say, for example, if I want to check the previous file format, then in path is the repository where we can see all this information.
Okay.
Okay, so like that. Okay, all right. Let's start the session for the. See, I just make you refresh once again. See, you know what is the purpose of the in the enterprise structure? I will ask some more questions like tell me what is the business area and what is the purpose of the company code, and yeah, what is the functional area? Anyone tell me? Just to make it fast because these are the simple things.
So company would generally using for the making financial reports to the particular company.
Mm-hmm.
And business area, we have to bifurcating the geographical area of the company related business.
Okay.
And financial area means is using for the periodically financial reports,
Mm-hmm.
and posting periods is using for the controlling the past periods and future periods.
Okay.
And in S4HANA, there is a new addition field is there. It is in posting period, they can control for the CO postings also. And
No, I'm just asking what is company code purpose and business area purpose. What is the difference between these two?
so company code, we can use it only for the one company, and the business area, we can use it for the multiple companies in that client.
Mm-hmm. No. See, what is the purpose of the company code? Anyone tell me?
Whenever we make
Regarding the
finance statement for the
financial
single financial reporting,
Yeah.
for every company code, we have a legal entity, separate legal entity. No, we have to prepare finance statements for that company. We have to use company code. Whenever we have parent companies and holding companies, we use company format.
Okay.
For every company, we have so many subsidiaries are there. We use for subsidiaries, we create a company code. For a holding company, we create a company
Okay.
creation like
See,
this. But
the purpose of the creation of the company code is okay. The purpose of the creation of the company code is to maintain the financial statement, to preparation of the financial statements, right? This is for the external reporting. Ultimate aim is the financial statements, like preparation of profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So we can create up to 999 company codes in SAP, and you know, so if company code is located in another country, not in local, then we need to prepare the financial statements according to their local and the legal requirements. And you know, business area purpose is for it's a department wise. Business area is a branch wise reporting. So we can track the expenditure and revenue also. We can extract the financial statement based on the business area. Business area is also one of the organizational unit in the organizational structure, and company code is also one of the business unit in the organizational structure. After company code, then business area should come into picture. Okay. Tell me what is the functional purpose of the functional area?
showing the transactions by department wise.
Yes, showing the transaction. So where exactly the functional area should be connected in, like in controlling, you know, what are the master data? Cost centers, functional area is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the fiscal year variant?
It is for the particular country related authorized legal financial year.
Okay, say generally maintain fiscal year variant, right? Fiscal year variant. What is dependent and what is independent?
Sir, dependent.
Calendar year and non-calendar year.
So if it is a independent means you have to select the each and every time for the country.
Okay.
That is for the dependent, and independent means you can once you created the period, it has to applicable for the all the years. And calendar year, it is to be related to the what is the calendar year dates, it has to be considered. And independent means you have to mention the number of days in a period. That is allowed in the system. You can, if you want, you can make it as a January 25th is a closing month, means you have to mention like that. If it is a dependent year, means you can't do anything for the dates, periods.
Year independent and year dependent. So year dependent means it depends upon the periods. Like our accounting period starts with 1st April to 31st March. So here year is changing. Okay, here is shifting for the next year. Here is shifting, right? So up to 9 months there is no problem. Here is not shifting, but after that year is shifting. So this is depends on the periods and year. But in case of other financial years, you can take 1st January to 31st December. There is no year shift, and periods are same, and there is no periods are changing, right? Year is not shifting. Okay, this is year independent. Okay, and tell me how 5 company codes. So out of that, I have only one fiscal year variant V3. Shall I assign this 5 company code this one variant?
We can yes, we can assign any number of company codes here for a single fiscal year variant. We have to do.
Same country or other country?
So if they are located in India, then only we can assign. If the company codes located in outside India, then we cannot decide, right?
Okay, we can decide.
We need to check like the company code located, how many company codes are located in India and other also. Okay, it's fine. And what is the next configuration? See, what is the shortened fiscal year? Shortened period or shortened fiscal?
Shortened fiscal year means when we are whenever we have less than 12 months, we will create a shortened fiscal year.
Okay, in this case, year dependent or year independent should be tick. But shortened fiscal year
independent.
Year dependent.
Year independent. Year
independent. Year dependent.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
Okay. What is the purpose of the field status variant?
Field status device, it controls the transaction. It controls the how many fields and what are the required fields and what are these mandatory fields and suppressed fields, and like this we can control for the particular transaction.
Okay. So field status contain? Field status contain? Field groups. Field groups. Okay. Field groups. Pulsinath, where you are taken training?
I have not taken training anywhere. I have used that Lakshman videos. Yeah.
Okay.
Once I contacted you also, you told that you don't require any training, but you told you have to follow our mock trainings. Like so you showed me so many mock trainings in YouTube. Like this, you told.
Okay.
I contacted him last.
You connected me when you connected me?
Last April.
Last April. Okay. Till then you didn't get job.
No, actually, I tried for last 4 months. I worked for one company based upon dubious methods.
Oh, you already worked?
Worked, but I left that job because some irregularities in my background check. I don't know that the consultancy.
In which area?
Controlling.
Controlling. Okay.
Yes. But they told that they will give assistance. Like then only I participated.
Okay.
Recently, I left. I lost my job due to some irregularities in BGV.
Okay, most of the people left because of that reason only. Okay, let it be. And then tell me types of chart of accounts. How many types of chart of accounts we have, and what are the chart of accounts? And Gopi,
We
after the
have
end of this session, you just put forward that interview material. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So please put forward that interview material in the chat box. Everyone will please download that interview material and start your preparation as well. Okay, next. Okay, so tell me types of chart of accounts.
So 3 types of chart of accounts: operating chart of account, group chart of account, and country specific chart of account. Operating chart of account used for a day-to-day transaction, and group chart of account is used for a specific group if you want to see report for a specific group like expense income. So we can use the group chart of account. Group chart of account will be assigned to our operating chart of account, and country specific chart of account we use to a country requirement.
Okay. Okay, so where exactly country specific GL account should be assigned?
In OB 62.
No, I am
Entire
asking
assigned
GL accounts.
GL accounts.
So you create a country specific chart of account. Then you need to assign this country specific chart of account to company code. Then need to create account groups of the chart of account, right? Then if you want to take the then in the, let's say I have two company codes. One is located in India and second one is located in US. For USA, you created just one chart of account. For India, you create one chart of account. Then these two should be assigned for the Indian company code. Then you create retained earning. Then you created account groups for the both. For country specific, for Indian company code GL accounts, so where we need to assign the country specific GL.
Okay.
GL master, right? GL master. In that controlling tab, there is alternative tab is there. Alternative tab.
Okay.
So where we need to
Alternative
assign
GL.
the specific GL account.
Oh,
Okay, so whenever you post the transaction with the Indian company code GL account, it is also stored in the country specific and it is also impact on the financial statement. Okay.
okay. Sir, I have a question from this. What is the use of a short key?
Yes, sort key should be reflected in the assignment. Okay, let's say for example, if you take sort key posting date in the GL master, while you post any transaction, then it should be reflected in the assignment. Did you not got
Yes, sir.
Now, is every L1 and every L2 on separate, it will be same, but a day.
see BL1 here, say not only BL1, you can take any vendor and all this. So if you see, this is assignment, right? See for this vendor, okay, in vendor master, if you take vendor number is the sort key, then assignment place it should be reflected. So like that in
Okay.
GL master, if you take a rent in GL master, if you take posting key assignment, the posting date should be reflected. Okay. So you are
Okay.
sorting through posting date and vendors. Okay, let's say for example, I need to copy the GL accounts from one company code to another. Okay, is it possible?
it is possible through IDA calls.
I don't. Let's say I have five. I have five GL accounts are there. I need to copy this five GL accounts from one company code to another. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible because
Oh, 20. administration cost, right click, okay, copy. So take your another company code. Okay, this is the way you can copy, right? And there is if there is a bulk, we have an option is there. SPRO reference IMG. What is the path? Gopi, do you have any idea? Yeah, got it. So create GL account with the reference. Okay, this is the T code. Just execute. See, I have company code TASL. Okay, and I want to copy this 3000 all GL accounts to this. This is reference company code. This has 1000 GL accounts, and this is TSL. Okay, now okay, just save it. Okay, and just select and click on this. Okay, go to accounts from reference, give 199999. Okay, then click OK. See, these are all 3000 GL account. If you save it, so all 3000 GL accounts should be moved to this TSL. Okay, this is bulk. Now the question is in GL master. GL master FS00. Okay. So tell me what is the chart of account data and the company code data? GL master, what is the chart of account data and company code data?
Sure. For chart of account data, like we have.
What is chart of account data? This one chart of account.
Statement on balance sheet.
This is chart of account data. Control data is, these are all company code data.
Company
code data.
Yeah.
This is chart of account data.
The currency.
This is also company code data. For which GL we need to select this post automatically option? Tell me some examples.
Accruals.
Alternative reconciliation GL.
Alternative reconciliation. Example. I need example.
Means if in vendor master, if we maintain the two reconciliations GLs.
GST payable like that.
Yeah. See. See. Once you select automatic option, you should not take that GL account in manual way. Like in FB50, FB60, you cannot take this manually.
Yeah, we can take Chanu. We have that feature in the SAP. Whatever the GL, if we have the two GLs, we have that option.
What is that?
To select the alternative GL means if we maintain the two reconciliation.
Alternative GL. I'm not asking about alternative. Alternative GL account should be used for the down payments. Okay. Down payment OB, YR, we can use alternative GL accounts. OB, YR. So here instead of the standard recon account, we can use the alternative. Okay. Special GL. This is a down payment case. And at the time of, I will tell you that second case. My question is, so in which cases we need to select this automatic post automatical option?
For automation postings?
Yeah, see, if you select this post automatical option, what happened? So just go to FB50. So here this GL account should not be taken manually. Okay, it should pick automatically. Tell me some example, the GL account which pick automatically even if you're not given the line item.
The repetitive expenses.
No.
Accruals.
You know, CAD discount, right?
GRAR account, clearing account.
Ah, yes,
CAD
yes.
discount,
Cash.
GRR.
Yes.
Okay. Inventory.
TDS.
Clearing. So the all OBYC setting GL accounts, VKOA setting GL accounts should have this option. Got it? Next.
Yes.
Next, tell me.
Actually, the answer which I given for the alternative GL, can you go to the create bank interest tab?
Okay.
The third option should select recon account ready for input. Sorry for some.
Yeah, this is different. Okay.
Yeah. That is used for multiple reconciliation accounts when we have in vendor master. That time this one needs to be tick up.
Yes. Okay. See, my question is, let's say, so what is if I select this asset is a reconciliation account? Why these reconciliation accounts are required?
So we are not posting directly, directly to reconciliation GLs. We are posting the things
Why
through vendor, customer, or asset.
Okay, so in financial
We want to
statements,
show some.
yes, in financial statement we can show the balances through GL wise, not vendor.
Yes.
Okay, but see, in vendor master, I have given the reconciliation account, one reconciliation account. Now, after the sometimes your client says I need to change the reconciliation account. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. That one we need to be remove, and new one we need to create. The new GL we need to assign in the vendor master data, and also we have if clients is required to import the old reconciliation GL data, we can import that to new GL.
See, let's say this reconciliation account is linked with only one vendor or multiple vendors.
Multiple vendors.
If you remove immediately, this is impact on others vendors also, right?
Yes.
So it is impact on the reporting side because we can track the reporting through GL wise subledger. GL act as a subledger in SAP. Assets or sub reconciliation accounts, vendors, customers, contracts. So that case you can make it zero and transfer this amount to next GL account, or else you can also create alternative reconciliation GL. We can use it.
Yes.
Okay. So you can use this one and then the next one also.
Yes.
Old one and new one also.
Yes. We
Okay,
get the option.
program is there that F101 something program is there that we can use it.
Okay, I think what is the conclusion, sir? Before giving another reconciliation account, we have to make it zero.
Options. We have two options. One is either you can nullify that GL balance, reconciliation GL balance, and transfer to new one. Okay, that is not the case. Second one is you can use another alternative GL account instead of this. Okay, so but this is done in the backend side. Account determination you need to do in the backend side. At the time of posting the entry, you can take old one and new one also. Okay.
Okay, and I think before giving new one, we have to make it zero, no?
Yes, that is one case. That is one case, one solution. The second solution also there. See, this is a vendor, right? So every vendor should be tracked through this GL account. Okay. At the time of FD60, we can also modify this.
Yes.
So there is one option is there. Okay. Need to change company code.
Here GL we can do.
Here also we can modify. Okay,
Yes.
in order to modify this reconciliation GL account, we need to assign that new GL in somewhere.
Yes,
one or
in vendor master data.
Yeah. So this is the case we can do it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So these are all basic stuff. Okay, so this is fresher level questions. The interviewer won't ask this kind of questions. Don't expect. That's the reason I don't focus on this areas much. Okay, today guys, I am sharing one interview material. All these basic stuff will be there. Okay, just read out that material. Almost 250 pages are there. Okay, so you need to finish up that in 10 to 15 days. That is fine, and then you can attend for the interview also. Okay, so right now, tomorrow I will continue S4HANA session. Okay, S4HANA currency settings, ledger settings. Okay, and any important changes from enterprise structure to ledger. So all those points again we'll discuss tomorrow. And today I just given brush up like in see. Tell me one more thing is there in. So in which case open item management indicator should be taken?
For the clearing GS?
Yes, of course. Tell me some of the examples.
GRIR account.
Yes,
And
GRIR clearing. Next,
Uh,
VAT payable, GST payables. It should be maintained on clearing GL accounts. It should be maintained on the open item basis. Okay, open item. Once you maintain the open item, this is the balance sheet or profit and loss related.
Balance sheet.
It's a balance sheet only. Okay, then if you not select this line item display, what happened? What is the impact on this?
we are not able to see in FBL1N, for example, vendor related.
Yes. So then what next?
We have to
run a enhancement code.
SC38 program.
We need to run one program on this, right?
Yes, SC38.
Okay, who will run this program and is it run in the production or development to quality to production?
In production.
Okay, all the master data activity will be done in the production activity. Only production we can extend GL master only, not development. Because why we are running the why we create GL masters, vendor master, customer master in production?
So it doesn't have the transaction request, transport request. It doesn't have the transport request.
Yes, there is no transport request appeared, right? For this. Okay, it's a master data. It's a user level activity. You can see in the SAP end user screen access, end user also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Whatever it is using in the easy access, we doesn't have to make the transport request.
Yes.
Sir, programs who will run, sir?
Evaper only. We can't run the program. We don't have access in production system. Okay, so Evaper will do that. We don't have access. Let's say I need one T code access. Okay, in production system. See, I need one end user T code access. What could be the process in real time?
In firefighter ID, we need to raise, right?
Yes, we need to write the firefighter ID for the emergency request. Security team will give you 2 days. For that point of view, initially, which tool we need to raise this request?
Production.
No, which tool?
Ticketing tool.
GRC. GRC is the tool where we need to raise the ticket. Where we need to raise request, not ticket. Ticket should be raised in the service now.
Okay.
And apart from this, any other case, we can take all the some of the user T codes access in the production in which case?
Tax code updates. Tax code updates. No, question please. Once again, repeat, Chanu.
In which case, generally, for one or T codes that we can directly raise emergency access from the security. But I need 10 to 15 T codes. That which case generally these things this access we can take.
Don't know, Chanu.
Month ending and year ending. Month ending, year ending time.
OB52?
Yeah, every access they will give.
Okay.
Month ending case, you need to execute some transaction codes in the production system directly.
Okay.
Okay. So up to GL account, I think no one will ask any question except chart of account. So they will ask you country specific chart of accounts or group chart of account. So group chart of activation, how we can do that? I need to activate group account number. where what is the configuration need to perform?
To assign group chart of account to our company code, that group chart of account we need to give.
Yes. So what is the tables for the GL master?
B saved B GL master. I'm not able to remember.
Okay. Right. All right. Thank you very much. This is today's session. Okay. So SK A1, SK B1 with the T code tables, right? For GL master.
SK A1 it is vendor.
Yeah, LF A1 is vendor. Okay.
Oh.
SK A1 is the GL master.
Yeah. Okay.
You need to remember at least 15 tables. I will give you, say right now I am sharing one interview material. All the basic stuff will be there in that material. Okay, so you already shared, I think. So please open up that material. You can start your preparation. Okay, so you can start your preparation. The interview sessions will be continued like this. And meanwhile, you prepare all this stuff. Okay, basic stuff questions are there from 195 page. I think. Okay, just check it out what we have discussed. Everything based on this document only. You prepare this and attend the interviews. Okay, see, main topics in SAP FI is SAP FI is the automatic payment program. So how to explain automatic payment program? I already told you. Okay, you can take 10 to 15 scenarios. Say down payments, partial clearings, all those stuff. Okay, so explain 10 scenarios. Okay, and select the 10 scenarios which I already shared on document, and then explain the configuration. Then explain the business process. Then explain what kind of testing activities you have performed. So these things I will tell you a project like a testing project. Okay, in that case these things are useful. Okay, so if you explain that way, then automatic payment program only they will ask you scenarios. Okay, scenario based questions. That's only that's it. Okay, nobody asks you what is automatic payment program, not like that. I shared you 5 to 10 scenarios. So in that you mentioned 5 scenarios. That's enough. Okay, I also shared, see, last time I given this scenarios list. Where is that? Go please send the screenshot. Scenarios list screenshot. Here, this one. Okay. See, I don't explain how to do configuration and all for this. You can check in YouTube or Google or somewhere. We already discussed it for our trainees in these sessions. I see we can clear both customer vendor invoice. So how we can do this? Just explain. We can clear the partial clearing. We can clear down payments. We can clear intercompany transactions. We can clear debit and credit memos. We can clear foreign currency invoice. We can clear customer invoice. Like that, explain these 5 to 7 scenarios, and next document I shared some real-time scenarios list. Okay. So in that, so take 3 or 4 scenarios and explain to the interview. That's enough. That's more than enough. Okay. And regarding errors, error part I will take separate support project. I will tell you some of the errors for you. Only you will explain that error. And we have RISE it concept also there. RISE it. Okay. And tomorrow's session is S4HANA related changes. And day after tomorrow, new asset accounting. Okay. After that, EBS. Okay. FI to MM, FI to SD. Okay, and business DME. Then after this validation and substitution. That's sufficient for the interview level. And whatever the document I shared to you right now, that's more than sufficient. Okay, and then I will move to CO level. Okay, and like project related implementation, support, rollout, all those stuff I will explain. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Thank you,
Sir,
Chan.
Is permitted payment difference is possible through APP, sir, or we have to do manually only?
What is that? The permitted payment difference means what?
I mean, we have to pay 1,000 rupees for our vendor, but we are paying 900 only, sir. So, I mean, is it possible to?
Yeah, that is partial clearing, right?
Yeah, sir.
The invoice is 1,000. You are paying 9,000. That is partial clearing. I shared the document.
No, sir, not partial clearing, sir. Partial clearing means we have to. I mean, bad debt, sir. Bad debts is possible to clear through APP.
Bad debts.
Yeah.
See, you see. So invoice is how much? 1,000, right?
Sir.
Invoice is 1,000, and you want to clear 900 and 9,000 only. Or
900, sir.
900. Invoice is 1,000. You want to clear 900. Okay, that is happening through partial clearing.
What, sir?
Partial clearing. Partial clearing.
No, sir. I mean, I will pay 900 only. That vendor also agreed, sir. So in that case, I want to transfer 100 rupees to bad debt, sir. I mean, I want to consider.
You want to transfer the.
No. It's not bad debt, sir. I mean, from customer point, it's bad debt, sir. Hello?
Okay, see, you are saying about vendor or customer?
No, sir, customer, sir, customer, sorry.
Okay, so your customer invoice is 1,000 rupees and he will pay only 900 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
And this 100 rupees should be moved as a bad debt.
Yes, but that too per APP. Is it possible, sir?
See, what is meant by bad debt?
I mean, we cannot receive from the customer, sir.
Yeah, bad debt means that amount it should not be recovered from the customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
after several reminders.
Sorry.
After several reminders, sir, because bad debts means.
See, generally, this thing, you want to clear this. 100 rupees is a permitted payment difference. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
that allows system allow. We have tolerances, right?
Yes, sir. Tolerances.
We have tolerances. So in tolerances, we can allow that limit. Okay. So you can check your tolerance, how much the system will allow the permitted payment difference for revenues and expenses. Okay, that limit, based on that limit, system will allow.
Yes, sir. But is it possible through APP, sir? I mean, if it's possible, how can we do, sir?
Yes, for that the GL account you need to assign somewhere. Okay, account determination need to done for that GL account. Okay. Like see, how one invoice is there, 10,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, and my bank charges is 100 rupees. Okay, so and original is 900, and bank charges is 100. I need to do the payment. Then this bank GL should be bank charges GL account need to be assigned in the backend IMG screen. Then system will pick this GL account. Like that, here also some account determination for the GL account will be there. Apart from this, normal process, regular process will not be work. Okay. Right. Thank you.